Right, boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. This week we'll be doing the front panel now. It's all been dressed and the other sides have been primed with roll-through primer. I've got the bonnet on to align the gaps, obviously, for the scuttle panel, so I'm happy with that. I've roughly put the wings on, roughly see how they're going to go, so there's a wee bit of tweaking there, but it should be okay. So I've got clearance as well for the bonnet catch in here. So that's okay to go. So I'm pretty sure now I can move this piece in as well. So we'll just crack on with that. Right, boys and girls, that's me finished now for the last few weeks. So obviously we've got the front panel on now, got the wings on. So to finish this piece off in here, and then that should be the front end complete. So I'll be moving on next time for the changing the door skins, getting them all lined up, and the gap between the door and the wing over the next few weeks, and then we can start on the rear quarter panels and the inner wheel arches as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next time. Thanks, Em. Bye bye for now. Bye.